Good day, sir. I am Cadet Christian Malura, and I am about to discuss the importance of tide tables in publication. What is tide table? Tide tables are critically important to seafarers, especially when arriving at port destination. Here's why. First, for safe navigation. Ports often have shallow entrances or restricted channels. Knowing the predicted time and height of high tide is crucial to ensure sufficient water depth and safe passage. Arriving at low tide could mean grounding the vessel, causing significant damage and delays. Second, berthing and unberthing. Many ports have tidal ranges that significantly affects the depth of water alongside the berth. Tide tables allow the captain to plan the arrival to coincide with a sufficiently high tide, ensuring the vessel can safely berth and unberth without scraping the bottom. Thirdly, cargo operations. The depth of water alongside the vessels affects cargo operations, particularly loading and unloading of goods. A low tide might limit the size of vessels that can be safely loaded or unloaded at given berth. Tide tables help to optimize the timing of cargo operations for maximum efficiency. Fourth, mooring and anchoring. The depth of water and the tidal currents influence the choice of mooring positions and anchoring locations. Tide tables help in selecting safe and suitable locations, reducing the risk of dragging anchors or damage to the vessels. Fifth is avoiding hazards. Knowing the tidal currents is critical for avoiding potential hazards such as rocks, sandbars, or other obstacles that may be submerged at high tide but exposed at low tide. Tide tables provide this crucial information. And the sixth is emergency situations. In an emergency, accurate knowledge of the tides is vital for rescue operations or for navigating to a safe haven. So, ang pasabot dahil sa tide table publication, no, ang unsay gamit ani niya sa mga seafarers. Gamit kini siya kay tungod sa labi na sa kanang pagdunggo o pag-abot sa puerto o sa mga cargo operations kanang for example nagkarga sila niya lutay di ay musangad ang ilang barko, mga damage sila mga na o sa gamit usab sa mga emergency operations ay magdepende ang pagdagan man sa barko sa high tide o low tide ug unsa nga sitwasyon ng pagi sa rescue nila. So maorto ug unta hinaot nga naman nakatunan sa ako ang gibasa ug gi-share niyo karon.